So have you ever watched people online showing luxury cars, trading profit and flashy lifestyle, and you keep wondering, how can I really get to this level of these guys, or can I really make money with forex trading? Or maybe you've already tried trading and lost money because nobody explained it properly to you. More understood. So the truth is, forex trading is not gambling, it is skill. And in this video, I'm going to explain forex trading in the simplest way possible so you can understand and start making some lot of money. Also, even if you are a complete beginner in 2026 or in years to come or in any other year you are possibly watching this, by the end of the video, right, you will understand what forex trading really is and how people make money from it, biggest mistakes beginners make, and how to start trading the smart way. Am I understood? So smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you find value in the video. So let's dive right into it. All I want you to do right now is to grab something, sit tight and watch the video to the very end. For that being said, let's jump to step number one. What is forex trading? You have been hearing about forex trading, forex trading, forex trading. Now here is a simple question: what is really forex trading? Before you get into something, you need to know what that thing is. So forex trading means foreign exchange. It is the process of exchanging one currency for another. For example, US dollars, we have euro, we have GBP, which is a British pound, we have JPY, which is a Japanese yen, and every day banks, companies, government and traders exchange currencies. Am I understood? And the forex market is the biggest financial market in the world. Now we are talking about over $7 trillion traded daily in the forex market. Just tell me, how much can you grab? How much can you make, right, out of this over $7 trillion that's going now? And here is the interesting part. As a trader, we don't need, right, to own a bank. You don't need millions of dollars. We simply try to predict whether a currency will go up or down. I'm understood. For example, if you believe the euro will become stronger than the dollar, right, you buy euro USD. If the market moves up, you make profit. If it moves against you, you lost money, right? That's forex trading in simple terms. Am I understood? You are basically buying one currency and selling another at the same time. And the reason many people love forex trading is because you can start with small capital. You can trade from anywhere in the world. You can trade from your phone, from your computer, and it's also open 24 hours in 5 days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Friday. And you can potentially earn from both raising and falling markets. You buy, you make money, you sell, you make money. That is just as simple as that. But listen carefully, forex is not a get quick rich scheme. I'm understood. So most beginners lost money because they focus only on profit and ignore education. Am I understood? Number two, how forex trading actually works. You can't get into something if you don't know how that thing works, right? So let me simplify this even more. In forex, currency move in pairs. Now, example, we have euro USD, we have GBP USD, we have USD JPY, we have gold USD. When you see euro USD, it means how much USD is needed to buy 1 euro. Am I understood? So if you see euro USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1050, that means the euro becomes stronger. Am I understood? As a trader or as traders, our goal is to catch this movement. Even small movement can actually create profits. Or you will often hear words like buy, sell, bullish, bearish, pips, lots, spread. But at this point, right, don't panic, right? These words sound hard at first. They are simple. A pip is simply a small price movement. A lot size is the size of your trade, and spread is the fee your broker charges. And bullish mean the market is going up, bearish mean the market is going down. Am I understood? And that is it. And that's basically simple. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is overcomplicating forex. You do not need 20 indicators. You do not need a magical robot. You first need to understand how price moves, and that is the foundation. Number three, what you need to start forex trading. Now, starting forex trading in 2026 or in any year you are possibly watching this is easier than ever. Now, here is what you actually need. Number one, a smartphone or a laptop. As far as you can browse, you can connect to the internet. You don't need expensive equipment. Even a decent phone can work. Number two, you need an internet connection. Number three, you need a broker, right? A broker is the company that connects you to the market that serves as your bank. That's where you put your money. Example of these brokers are SNES, IC Markets. Those are the ones I use, and always choose a regulated broker with a good review. Number 4, trading platform. Most traders use is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, right? TradingView. This platform help you to analyze charts and place trade. Am I understood? Number 5, a demo account. Please don't skip this because it's very, very important. A demo account lets you practice with fake money. Am I understood? Now, this is where you learn without risking real cash. Now, too many beginners rush into live accounts and blow everything up. In fact, over and over again, because they hate demo. Practice first on demo and you will get perfect. Number 4, how beginners lose money. Let's talk about reality. Most Forex traders lost money. Am I understood? Not because Forex is fake, right? But because beginners make emotional decisions. And here are the mistakes that the beginner makes. Over trading. Some people trade every single setup they see. More trade does not mean more profit. Lack of risk management. This is the number 1 killer. Never risk all your money on one trade. Professional traders survive because they protect their capital like their life depends on it. Another one is revenge trading. After losing one trade, beginners try to recover quickly, and that usually leads to bigger losses. Following signals blindly. Those signals can help you, but relying on them without understanding the market is very, very dangerous. Learn the skill yourself. Another one is unrealistic expectation. Some people think they will turn $10 into $1 million overnight. That mindset destroys account. Forex is a long-term game. Treat it like a business, not a lottery ticket. That takes us to step number 5. Simple strategy for beginners. Let me give you a simple beginner approach, right? First, learn market structure. Ask yourself this: is this market making higher highs or higher lows? If price is moving upward consistently, the market is bullish. If price keeps dropping, the market is bearish. Now, second, use support and resistance. Very, very important. These are areas where price reacts often. Third, wait for confirmation before you jump in, right? Don't jump into trade emotionally. Patience is part of trading. And most importantly, right, use proper risk management. I think I've been emphasizing on this for a very long time. A simple rule, right, many traders follow: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital. That way, even if you lose multiple trade, right, your account survives. Remember, the goal is not to win every trade, right? The goal is to stay in the markets long enough to become profitable. And that takes us to 6. The psychology of trading. Forex trading is more psychological than technical. You can know as many strategy as you can and still lose because of emotions. Fear and greed destroy many traders, and some traders close profit too early because they are scared. Others hold losing trade because they are emotional. Discipline is what separates professionals from gamblers. You need patience, emotional control, consistency, a trading plan, right? This is why many successful traders you see today journal their trade. They review why they entered, why they lost, what they can improve. Now, trading is not about being lucky. It's about making smart decisions repeatedly. 7. How long does it take to become profitable? This is the question everyone usually asks me. I'm understood. And the most honest one is, right, it depends on your discipline. Some traders take 6 months. Some traders take years. I'm understood. But here is what really matters. If you stay consistent and focus on learning, you improve. I'm understood. Most people fail because they quit too early, right? They jump from one strategy to another every single week, looking for a winning strategy, knowing fully well that their emotion is really in charge of all this. They chase shortcuts, but profitable trading comes from experience, reputation, emotional control, and patience. Now think about it like learning football, music, or possibly driving. You won't master it overnight, isn't it? Forex is the same. Until it becomes a skill, you won't be profitable. And this is really going to be a final advice for beginners. If you're starting trading in 2026 or in any year, here is my advice: focus on learning before any. Protect your capital. Stop chasing fast money. Master one strategy first, I'm understood, and practice on them on. Stay patient. Avoid fake gurus. Building discipline, and remember this: Forex can change your life, but only if you respect the process. The market rewards patience and not desperation. Am I understood? Now, if you find this video helpful, right, don't forget to smash the like button, comment below, right? Drop comment below, very, very important. What is the biggest thing confusing you about Forex right now? Maybe you might have started, or maybe you're about to start. Just drop it at the comment section and I'm going to reply to each and every one of you. My understood. And if you want more videos on trading, psychology, risk management, smart money concept, and other ones, right, drop it at the comment section. And whatsoever that you have been going through in Forex right now, also drop it at the comment section and I will also do video about it. Don't forget to join my Telegram community, and if you want one-on-one mentorship, the link is also at the description. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.